Here I am at my local Lexus dealer, about to confront them at their service area. Now, I personally noticed that one of my strut mounts in my Lexus RX 350 was making noise. And in order to repair yourself, you have to compress the spring, etc. And I decided I'm just going to take it to the dealer. Well, when I took it to the dealer, they of course called me and wanted to replace both struts completely. They gave me a quote of $2,300 to replace the struts and do an alignment on my car. They said the cost was such because OEM parts are expensive, and being that they're a Lexus dealer, they only use OEM parts, which, being that they're a Lexus dealer and the price they were charging me, I found believable. Well, when I picked up the car, it drove terrible. Something was definitely wrong with it, so I began looking at the bill. And when I looked at the bill, I saw that the part number was not for Lexus OEM parts, but they said Quick Strut. And when I searched that part number, luckily it was on the bill or I would have never known, it came up to AutoZone, to one of the cheapest struts that could be put on the car, or also fits the Toyota Highlander as well. So here I am at the dealer because I find this quite deceptive that they charged me 6 hours of labor to just install quick struts, which is in the name, quick. They also upcharged me a couple $100 extra for these AutoZone parts. So here I am at the manager's office, and I'm going to ask him, what's going on, man? Why did the Lexus dealer do this?
Well, we finish with, let me talk to Paul when he's done with his customer, and we'll see what, I don't know what the conversation was, and, I'm kind of at a loss. I know some people would rather have the quick struts because it is all in one piece. It's an easier job to do. And if you do the OEM parts for that, you're almost double the price between the strut mount and the spring and
Right.
and the shock and everything. It does save it.
The strut mount. Right, but we'll look at the labor charge on that. It's a 1.6 hour job. There's no book in America that you're going to find that says that a quick strut. So that's 3 hours labor is $1,258. Because he went by the book for if he took it apart and put it back together. So for the rest of the time I was in his office, he put up very little of an argument and eventually was like, oh, we'll just do it with the OEM parts and I'll call you when the car is ready. But imagine if this was your mother, your father, someone elderly. How many times have they done this? Charged somebody thousands of dollars in labor and OEM parts and then just done the job however they wanted to. I mean, they're the Lexus dealer, for Christ's sake. Does anybody else find this disturbing?